Star fruit, or carambola, is a star-shaped exotic fruit that is filled with vitamins and antioxidants. It tastes delicious on its own and in this smoothie. In a blender, add coconut water, baby kale and spinach leaves, star fruit, cucumber, beet, frozen pineapple, and a mix of chia, hemp, and flax seeds. Blend until smooth. Pour in a glass and enjoy this smoothie. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button, subscribe, and comment below.